First thing you're going to want to do is measure the size of your headlamp before you start shopping around. And this is a 5 3/4 inch. We're going to be installing an LED headlamp with daytime running halo, and this is a 5 3/4 inch. The brand is Z-Offroad. This product actually comes with nice instructions, nice detailed instructions. That's hard to find. We'll be installing it on a 2020 Sportster iron1200. You're going to want to disconnect your battery terminals, positive and negative. That's always recommended before you work on electrical. We're going to need to remove the wind deflector, and in order to do that, you need to remove these 3 screws on the inside. One of them's right there. There's another one on the top and another one on the right side. Remove the windshield carefully so it doesn't fall on the ground and you don't scratch it. The next step is you're going to remove this outer chrome ring by removing this screw right here, Phillips. Next step, you're going to remove the headlight itself, the assembly here, and disconnect the wire terminal on the back. Make sure you leave this inner ring in place, as it'll help hold the new headlamp. Take the new headlamp, plug it in. I use the packaging that it came in just so I can set it down and I won't damage the bike or the headlamp itself. Now is a good time to clean all these hard to reach areas when everything's put back together. Before we start assembling everything back, let's go ahead and test this, make sure it's working. There we go. We've got the low beam and the halo. Now let's test the high beam. There it is. All right, time to put everything back now. Now that we have the fairing back on and everything else is assembled, let's see how it looks at nighttime. That's low beam, high beam.